Carob balls, and this particular recipe is a cup of macadamia nuts, which I have cut up roughly rather than have the whole. Okay. And these dates, even though they're pitted, I cut them in half just to make sure. So a cup of dates and a quarter of a cup of carob powder, and what makes it taste nice again is the zest. So this is the zest of one orange. And then you'd put it in your food processor. No, I haven't got it quite on. Yeah. Thanks, Carob. Great. Okay. And then just blend it. I did. Yeah, I did put the blade in. It will need a little bit more. You just look and see. Apparently you don't want to over blend it, but you need to blend it a little bit more. So it depends. If you want it even finer, you would just keep going, and then you just make the balls, and you make them whatever size you want, and you roll it in the coconut. How easy is that? Questions? No questions.
Where do you buy the Carob from?
Well, because at Hillsville is where I got it from Miss Speltz, but I'm told you can get it at Woolies. I have never personally found it in Coles, where I generally do my shopping. Health food stores. And there are two kinds, the dark carob and the light carob, but that's a preference, how you want. And do everyone know what carob is? Yeah, no one not know what it is?
No, I don't know exactly what it is.
Oh, okay. We use it as a substitute for cocoa, or cacao as they say now. And what's good about it, it's really healthy because it's in a pod, it grows on a tree, and it really is nice, and it's sweet. You don't need to sweeten it. It's from a tree, but you can eat it from the tree, but it does get, it gets into powder. Yeah. So they take the outer pod off, and it gets crushed. When you buy it, you can buy pods, very to get them, but when you go to the shop, you just ask for carob powder.
Is that the replacement for chocolate?
Yeah, it's a healthy alternative because chocolate's got caffeine in it.
The powder?
Yes. Well, I have been told that's where you can get it from. Yeah. Well, not if you want the healthiest diet, and we really want to have the best. And I think if you try that, you're going to try it for lunch today. And there's some ones I've made ahead of time. And I think if you like it, I think your friends will like it too, and your family.
It's sharing.